Hi everyone, welcome back to the Model 3 Man channel, and this is another tip of the day episode. What's that? You like the jacket? Oh, I'm glad you do, thank you very much. It's a little thing I just threw together. No, kidding. This is the birthday gift from the entire family. I was able to wear it this evening. You see, it's Sunday evening here in Vancouver. We've just come back from having a meal down in Montana's, down in Tsawwassen. And the occasion was the arrival of Trevor Page in Vancouver in preparation for his cross-Canada journey that he's going to be making next week. If you've ever looked at any YouTube videos and you follow Tesla, you've seen Trevor Page. He has a channel, Tesla Owners Online, and he has about 62,000 subscribers. And it was just a thrill to welcome him into Vancouver. We had in excess of 20 enthusiastic Tesla owners come and join us at Montana's. And Trevor told us all about the plans for the trip. In summary, they hope to complete it in 72 hours. It's Trevor Page and Ian Pavelko. The challenge will be to get through in 3 days using the supercharger network that's just been completed right across Canada from Vancouver, the water's edge, down to Halifax in Nova Scotia. So Trevor, best of luck. Enjoy Vancouver while you're here. We're all looking forward to following the trip as you go. But this is tip of the day number 9. And so far, I have not missed a day. So this is the Monday episode. Today we're going to talk about Sentry Mode. What is Sentry Mode? Why should I use it? How do I set it up? And what should I do with the options that I'm offered? Number 1, Sentry Mode is a special mode that Tesla have given us that allows the cameras on all 4 sides of the car to record what's happening around them. So you say, well, what is it for? The purpose of Sentry Mode is to record break-ins, thefts, vandalism, accidents that might happen on the road, to give you some kind of record of what actually happened, so that if you need to take any further action, police report, legal action, insurance claims, you have something to back up your story. Unless you were in the wrong, and then it doesn't help you at all. Listen, none of that helps if you don't have a properly formatted thumb drive or SSD drive with a folder called TeslaCam, uppercase T, uppercase C, and in a previous video I detailed exactly how you can format and set up a drive. And you simply cannot call Tesla and ask them, do you still have the footage? Is it on your servers? Would you mind sending it to me? They will not. And I'm sure they don't store everyone's Sentry Mode activity. But of course, the difficulty comes in viewing them, and how do I get to see all 4 cameras, and maybe even simultaneously? Well, tomorrow I'm dropping a video that details how we can view all of the output from all 4 cameras simultaneously in a very easy fashion. So look out for that video. I won't deal with that today in this tip of the day. Let's get into the car. We're going to take a look at how you set it up, how you turn it on, what kind of options you're offered, and what you should choose. Part of using Sentry Mode correctly is to know where to find it. So first of all, you'll notice that up at the top there is a little black button, but when we turn Sentry Mode on, that button's going to have a red eye in the middle of it. So let's go first of all into the car controls. I think you'd pretty much guess that safety and security would be the area we would find Sentry Mode. And if we just scroll up a little bit, Sentry Mode right now is off. We're going to turn it on. And look, up at the top there, you've got the little red eye in the middle of the black circle. Now, a couple of options here. First of all, we look at the box over here which says, exclude using Sentry Mode around your home. So if you feel that your home is safe, or you have it in a garage, you don't want to waste the battery, you'd put Sentry Mode to be excluded by ticking that box. You could do the same for work. If you trusted your work, if you had secure parking, you could do the same thing. You could also exclude any favorites that you had saved. But I don't trust anyone anywhere, so we're going to uncheck that and uncheck that and have Sentry Mode come on everywhere at the cost of a little bit of extra battery power. Now there's a little letter I. If we tap on that, it shows us that Sentry Mode allows your vehicle to be aware of its surroundings while parked. And it uses the sensors and the microphones and the cameras and the computers. So while it's active, Sentry Mode will evaluate the risk of theft or vandalism. It records video, it activates visual and auditory alarms, and sends you mobile notifications as is necessary. It does say, note that additional battery power is consumed. Most of us are prepared to accept that as a compromise. If Sentry Mode should be activated through a break-in or somebody hitting the car very hard, the car will play extremely loud organ music, pretty scary when you hear it on full volume, and of course the alarm will also be triggered. Right now, Sentry Mode is active. I'm going to dismiss the information notice. We're going to dismiss the safety and security screen as well. Now, I do want you to be aware that having Sentry Mode on uses a lot of power. I'm not going to lie to you. Between the battery being either warmed or cooled, between Sentry Mode, between you connecting with your car all the time, the battery can drain pretty rapidly, especially in winter, while you're not using the car. Listen, that's one of those compromises we don't mind making. So it's been a wonderful evolution, and just the fact that now we have the ability to capture awful people doing things like this. Don't be caught unprepared. Get that flash drive, format it properly, put it in the car, test it. See, right at the top of the screen, you'll see that little black circle. If it has a red dot in the center, then you have a card or drive correctly formatted and connected, and the car is able to record Sentry Mode events. It's a great feature. If you're not using it, it's not a good thing. Make sure that if the worst happens, you've got the evidence. So thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, join the family. Doesn't cost you anything. Click subscribe, click notify, use this referral code. If you're just about to buy a Model 3, click on the link. The link will take you directly to the ordering site, the online ordering, and it will apply the referral code that gives you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. So until next time, which will of course be tomorrow, I look forward to seeing you then. Drive safely, watch your back, and look out for the videos that are coming tomorrow.